morning ka-friendship. Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng tinolang punaw or seashell. So, sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Hello everyone, this is Toto Mira. Sana samahan ninyo ako sa bawat pagluluto ko sa aking munting kusina. We have here the ingredients. 1/2 kilo punaw. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang English nito or anong tawag nito sa iba. Basta dito sa amin sa Negros, punaw ang tawag namin dito. We have here lemongrass and 1 piece siling labuyo. 1 piece, 1 regular size papaya, hilaw or unripe. 1 bundle of chili leaves. 6 cloves garlic. 1 piece regular size onion. 1 piece regular size tomato. Ginger. And meron tayo ditong 2 pieces calamansi. And we will be using salt and pepper and cooking oil. And of course, we will be using water later. Okay, so ka-friendship, simulan na natin ang pagluluto. What we're going to do first is magpainit tayo ng ating pot. Maglalagay tayo ng at least 1 tablespoon na cooking oil. Igigisa natin yung ating ginger. And then ang ating bawang or ang ating garlic. Dagdag na rin natin ang onion. At saka tomato. At this point, idagdag na rin natin yung ating punaw. Ang ating seashell. Magdagdag tayo ng konting asin. And then, pepper. Haluin lang nating mabuti. And then at this point, magdagdag na tayo ng ating tubig. Yung tubig, nasa sa inyo lang kung gaano karami yung sabaw na gusto ninyo. Let it simmer hanggang maging maluto yung ating seashell o yung ating punaw. So ayan ka-friendship, nagbukas na yung ating punaw, ibig sabihin luto na siya. So dagdag natin yung ating lemongrass at saka yung ating siling haba. So, isi-simmer lang natin siya. And ngayon, pwede na nating idagdag yung ating hilaw na papaya. So, takpan muna natin yung ating pot. Isi-simmer natin yung ating papaya hanggang maluto. So, ayan. Tingnan natin kung okay na yung papaya natin. So, ayan. More than a half cook na siya ka-friendship. Hindi siya masyadong luto kasi gusto ko sa papaya may konting crunch. Dagdag pa tayo ng asin or salt to taste. And then tikman natin kung okay na yung alat ng ating sabaw. So ayan, okay na siya. So pwede na nating idagdag yung ating chili leaves. And at this point, mag-squeeze na tayo ng 2 calamansi to enhance the flavor of our dish. So ayan ka-friendship, luto na yung ating tinulang punaw. Ready for serving na siya. So, ka-friendship, ito na po yung ating finished product, yung ating tinulang punaw. Okay ka-friendship, sana nagustuhan nyo ang ating niluto ngayong araw. So, kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. Okay, so once again, this is Tumira at your service. Always remember that we cannot control the waves, but we can learn how to surf. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video, and kindly leave a comment. So God bless us all. Bye-bye!